weed runner, Bugsy,
and who tell you about the name?
come on, Mr. Sullivan. A whole heap of people know the name there. It's just that it's not a whole heap of people can link the face to the name. Me did know the name long time. The name there caused my brother some pain. I need to talk to you about that. Because you think this is about Omega and about Omega. About what one of your youth do my brother.
So, if you say I want my youth them do, how me involved in this?
How you mean how you involved in this? Bugsy and him crew, the man them when them take people weed, on a pay feet, a man get shut up because of that. Remember say I saw your youth them used to rolling up. And if you are the leader of the crew there, and you have to take responsibility for that. My brother get shot in him back. And I have to nurse her own. Foreign him after them now. Run with for years now. Because of your boy them.
One thing me have to tell you. You see when it come to dealing with my business and man to deal with weed thing, me make sure say my money spent. Where them do out of my rules and regulation, that not have nothing to do with me.
Alright. The boy when named Blackhead, he's still there on.
Blackhead? What the fuck is Blackhead? Eh?
Trevor, fool, they take my fat. The mark a black boy with it in your crew. And him me attack.
Oh, you mean blacks?
A blackhead them call him. Cause the way Marga is like him invisible. I just him head alone you can see. And he made shape like a bomb.
Well, here what? Not the man there. As far as me concerned and get it, he run again a country. I don't know if him dead or alive.
Well, here what you gonna do. You gonna find him, you know. And him shot my brother. So me need to know which part him dead. It's $1 million my brother spent on doctor fee. So it's either me get him or you pay the $1 million.
Oh, really? Orders you give me? Let me tell you this. Me not take orders from nobody. And if you come and go and like say, you want come dig off money off of me just so, it not gonna work, my youth. So if you want the war to start, make it start.
You got yourself, Mr. Sullivan. If you not purchase nothing else in a Bugsy, you can go on.
Here, come here. Order around. I'm going to finish my drink before I leave. So I'm going to drink and drive. So, I'm going to sit down and finish my drink, then leave. Look like you have guests. Here, we deal with this on a different ground. Yeah. insist.
It's Brissette to our one.
What numbers?
Everything alright? It's a surprise.
Everything alright with you?
Yeah, man.
What that all about?
Nothing really, just all acquaintance, you know?
Numbers. You know the kind of work woman do, don't it?
No way you do this. Listen. So let me tell you what. It's a old acquaintance where we never used to dep on a good terms. So maybe that energy there forward and feel like one.
Alright. Well, I must say, me pass through one of the days, you know what, I don't really have nothing too pressing. Yeah, but that's a pass and fast.
You know you're more than welcome here, so, you know. So where you drink? Like how you there?
So you know I'm not drink on the job. So if you have a Malta, I'm good with that.
One cold Malta coming right up.
So where bartender the numbers?
I want to tell you, Miss Brissette is almost like kind of missed in action idea, you know. So me I can go and hold off for one place here. And I slow me up because there are things to do now. I think you know do Miss Brissette. Right now I give you one gangster style. I don't know if you know them style, you know. But I can't find the work now. I don't always know where everything is. So I have to give the gangster style, you know.
Alright, numbers. I hear you. You don't want to ask you a question? Even though I say I pass and fast. I don't want fast in your business. But what kind of business you have done at Calder Tours? All the way are you at all?